In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of a form in Microsoft Forms. This is a simple process, but knowing exactly where to go can save you both time and frustration. Let's jump right in and make sure you get this done smoothly. First things first, you're going to need to access Microsoft Forms. Open up your web browser and head over to Microsoft's website or directly to the Microsoft Forms page. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in with your credentials. Having easy access to your Microsoft account will let you fully utilize all its features without any hitches. Once you're logged into Microsoft Forms, you'll land in your Forms dashboard. This is where you can see all of your existing forms and quizzes. Scan through your list of forms to find the one you want to rename. If you have many forms, using the search bar at the top can quickly help locate the form you need by typing in keywords or parts of the form's existing title. After locating your target form, click on it to open it up. This will bring you into the form's design interface where you can make changes not only to the title but also to questions, themes and other elements of the form. Now draw your attention to the top part of your form where you see the current title. With a simple click on that title, you'll find it becomes editable. The text will be highlighted, allowing you to type in a new name as you see fit. This is your chance to be clear and descriptive with the title. Making sure it accurately reflects the content or purpose of your form can be helpful for both you and your respondents. Once you've entered the new name for your form, all that's left is to click outside the title box. This action automatically saves the new name, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. Microsoft Forms is pretty intuitive in this regard. There you have it, your form now has a new name, and you've learned how to make quick adjustments to stay organized. It's a small change, but often these little tweaks can make a big difference in keeping your digital workspace tidy. Don't forget, this skill is just one way you can customize and control your form's appearance and functionality. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit any section of the video if you need to review a step. And don't hesitate to explore Microsoft Forms further for more customization options. Thanks for tuning in and happy form creating.